Welcome to the MRO Master Data Management 101 certification course. Chapter 4, Data Cleansing and Normalization. Let's delve into data cleansing and normalization, two processes that are essential for maintaining high-quality MRO master data. Data cleansing is the process of identifying and correcting inaccuracies, inconsistencies, and errors in your MRO master data. This is a critical step because even small errors can have significant consequences. For example, a typo in a material description could lead to confusion during procurement, resulting in the wrong materials being ordered or received. On the screen, you'll see that while a B90V belt and BX90V belt are only one letter away, that letter makes a big difference in what item you receive. Accuracy in entry here is essential. There are several common issues that data cleansing addresses. These include duplicate records, incorrect category assignment, missing attributes, and outdated information. For instance, if your system contains multiple records for the same material with slightly different names or descriptions, data cleansing will help identify and, if desired, merge these duplicates into a single accurate record. Normalization is closely related to data cleansing, but focuses on standardizing data across your system. This involves ensuring that all data follows a consistent format and adheres to predefined standards. For example, normalization might involve standardizing manufacturing names across all records or ensuring that all material descriptions follow a specific format. One of the key aspects of normalization is standardizing descriptions. This is important because it ensures that your data is consistent and easy to search. For example, if you have a material that is sometimes described as stainless steel bolt and other times as SS bolt, normalization would standardize the description so that it's consistent across all records. Mapping data to standardized taxonomies is another critical aspect of normalization. Taxonomies, such as the United Nations Standard Products and Services Code, provide a standardized way of categorizing materials. By mapping your MRO data to these taxonomies, you ensure that it's consistent not only within your organization, but also with industry standards. This can be particularly important if you're working with suppliers or customers who also use these standards. There are several tools and technologies available to assist with data cleansing and normalization. At IMA Limited, we use a tool called UManage Pro, which is specifically designed to help with data governance and cleansing. UManage Pro allows you to automate many of the processes involved in data cleansing and normalization, making it easier to maintain high-quality data across your organization. For example, UManage Pro can automatically identify and merge duplicate records, validate data against predefined rules, and standardize descriptions. By leveraging tools like UManage Pro, you can significantly reduce the time and effort required to cleanse and normalize your data, while also improving its accuracy and consistency. In summary, data cleansing and normalization are essential processes for maintaining high-quality MRO master data. By regularly cleansing and normalizing your data, you can ensure that it remains accurate, consistent, and aligned with your organization's needs.